day after revision, I would like to design this video for them and for the student who led during the class that we had. So in this lesson we talk about have got. Yeah, we talk about have got, and after finish this video lesson, I hope that you all guys can complete the exercise or can use it correctly in your real life, and also can complete the exercise in my link as well. I hope that you all can do it. So let's start now. Have got. Right. Hello, have got. So normally we use have got in present simple. So let's start together. Has got in affirmative. Let us see the example. I have got a friend. Like here. I have got a friend. Yeah. I have got a friend. That is the affirmative with all form, like I've got a book, you've got a book, you got a motor, we've got a beautiful trees, they've got a computer, she's got a dark hair, he's got a blue eyes, it's got a special meat. So in here it is affirmative, but it just only focus on the like a short form. But if you want to use a long form, that also can by using the word have. He have got, I have got, but when you use one is I've got, you did I've got, you've got, right? So that's easy. Just take it to complete. I have got, you have got, we have got, they have got, she has got. But here we don't always use the word use the word have. Here we use the word has got, right? And next is negative. I haven't got a saxophone. Yeah, I haven't got a saxophone. Lisa, you haven't got a skateboard. Right? He hasn't got a saxophone. She hasn't got a skateboard. She hasn't got a skateboard. So see, you see, negative hasn't. So has plus the word not, but and here we use only the short form to show you guys. She has got a skateboard. It has got a bone. It has got a bone. Okay. It hasn't got. Negative. Yeah, it's a negative. I use pen to draw for you. So here has got, right? Next. So right, we haven't got here. We haven't got. So it is from the word have not to the word haven't got at the short. Haven't got a saxophone. So here we plural subject. So we haven't got. Another haven't got in negative the same. You and I here. You your friend, sorry. You and your friend here. You and your friend, and the plural subject haven't. So use with haven't got. Haven't got two noses. Another affirmatives. They haven't got a saxophone. So let's go to the mixing of our negative together. So here negative. So I haven't got, you haven't got, they haven't got, we haven't got, and he hasn't got, she hasn't got, right? So this is the short of negative. So it means that hasn't to have not got, but we rarely use the word have not. So it means that it is very, like, when you speak out it is a little bit difficult, but you also can use, right? Another interrogative, right? Interrogative. Have I got a sister? Yeah, you have. It is a little bit strange question. Have I got a sister? Just to ask himself back. So another they might hurt, and then you will say they will say like, yes, you have. Have you got a skateboard? No, I haven't. No, I haven't. This is the answer. Have you, right? Have you got a skateboard? And no, I haven't. I haven't. So it's short answer like, no, I haven't. Move to the other. Has she got a ball? No, she hasn't. Have they got a saxophone? No, they haven't. So once again, so interrogative, we make it together. I would like to change the pen, the color of the pen. Like it's difficult to see here. Have I got? Have you got? Has she got? He got? Has she got? Has it got? Have you got? Have you got? And have they got? And that is the answer. Short answer. Yeah, I have. No, I haven't. Or no, you haven't. Yes, he or she it have. No, he or she it hasn't. Yes, we, you, they have. No, we, you, they haven't. So that is the interrogative. So let's start together now. So at the last of the lesson, yeah, after I explain this already, so we have some practice. Like in here, they want you to change from the negative, from the positive to the negative, and then set the true one. So the true one, for example, like I would like to change a pen because this is the white background. Use that one. So let all of you to do this exercise together for 1 minute and sing. Then I will show you the answer. I have got a sister, but in the bracket they use brother. No, I haven't got a sister, and this is the negative. They reject that. She or he or you don't have a sister. You haven't got a sister. So you will say that in the bracket use the word from the bracket to, you have to say back. So I've got a brother, right? So the answer together here. So cat has got a bike, a motorbike, but in the bracket they use bike. So we would say like cat has got a motorbike, and then change to cat has got a bike. My grandparents have got 2 dogs. So in the bracket say only one. My grandparents haven't got 2 dogs. Haven't got 2 dogs is the negative that based on the instruction above. You will say that, right? My grandparents have got 1 dog. Based on the bracket given. You have got a garden. You have got a garden. You have got a garden. But here is a roof terrace. So you will change to you haven't got a garden. You have got a roof terrace. Another pair have got right. So that is correct, right? Alright. So pet has got a encyclopedia. Encyclopedia refers to a group of vocabulary that she have, right? A group of vocabulary that we find and we try to do it, and we try to create it. A pet have got an encyclopedia, so a group like a dictionary, like, right? A group of words, group of new words. So in the bracket say dictionary. So you put like pet have got dictionary. So next number 5, I have got a red squatter, but here's green, not red. I haven't got a red squatter. I have got a skin squatter. That's correct. Yeah. So 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. The zebra have got spot. Strip, no spot, right? Strip. The zebra have got a strip. A zebra hasn't got a spots. A zebra have got a strip. Another. My friend have got three kids. 3 kids. So in bracket 2, my friend haven't got 3 kids. My friend have got 2 kids. Have got, right? Okay. So that is the exercise. So at the end, I hope that this video today is very important and very special for you guys, that finding how to use the he, she, and how to use have got and has got. So it also have the form and have the form, have all 3. You have 3 kind of form that you also. However, I would like to suggest that you all guys don't forget to click on the link in order to show that how many percent have you understood. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you can meet the other video. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.